What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video I got one of the biggest, baddest Kawasaki's you ever seen in the house today on the dyno. Yeah, that's right, boys. Magic Mike is out there working his magic on it now. I ain't even gonna tell you what it is. I just gotta go show you. 2022 Busa in the house, fully built motor. Yeah, part 2 video is coming soon. The dyno results coming soon. We okie doked on the last one. If you missed that video, check out part 1. We'll drop a link for that below. But let's go check out and see what's on the dyno. He just shut it off. Look at what we got here, boys. Look at the little guy. Just look at it. Kawasaki Z125 with a big bore kit, stroker crank, you name it, different ECU. We got it in today's video, boys. Alright guys, here we are, 143cc big bore kit with a stroker crank, makes it a whopping 155 cc's. Yeah, the emblems are just kidding. This thing is fully tricked out, ready to go. Hindle exhaust, full exhaust. Look at that, looks like a pentacarbon. Super good looking bike, fully tricked out. Suspension is all done up. This is his mountain curve crazy warrior. So he lives in the mountains and he has got this thing hooked up just as something to beat around, kick around on, have fun. He said he's had a bunch of other bikes in the past and this is one of his most fun toys. You see it's got a bigger throttle body, 34 millimeter, with a Ninja 300cc injector. Magic Mike has been working on this thing for quite some time now. It is basically would barely run when it got here.
It's a standalone.
It's a standalone ECU. So with this new ECU the customer just installed, the new motor, the new throttle body, the new injector, the bike basically wouldn't run. It had all kind of new stuff, but it has to be fully calibrated from end to end to make all this stuff work. Now, there is not a factory ECU Flash available for this thing, so the customer had to go with a full different ECU. The ECU in this thing is tiny as well, but you can see there is a lot of stuff going on.
There's a lot.
It does have pretty cool features in this ECU. It actually has the ability to change the course, fuel, and ignition, but it also has warm-up tables and basically every table that's pre-calibrated in a stock ECU. It's not calibrated in this, and Mike has to put all that information in there. It's taken him a long time, but right now we have it running and we have it driving nice and smooth. The customer is going to be super happy with it once we get it done. You see this right here? This is a catch tank. Basically, the engine creates extra vacuum, which will push oil out into the airbox. This right here helps pull the vacuum and catch that oil in a tank versus spitting it all into the air filter. Makes it super nice to have, something you almost gotta have on one of these built motor bikes. We have a pull coming up here in just a second. While Mike is working on the Z125 in here, take a look inside the warehouse at all the bikes we got to work on. Yeah, that's right, boys. All these bikes are here being worked on right now. Whether it be race bikes, street bikes, stock bikes, built bikes, you name them, we got them in here. They are everywhere. Thanks for all the love, Moore Mafia Nation. You guys have seen what we do, you've reacted, and you have brought your stuff to us to get fixed, and we thank you very much for that. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. A little something different on the channel. Z125s or Groms. We can tune those things. We can flash the ECUs on the older Gen 1 Groms, but the rest of the stuff you have to have a power commander or an aftermarket ECU like he had for us to be able to do any tuning. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the bell for notifications. Smash that like button. Check us out, mooremafia.com, for all our contact info. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.